How to pin comments on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is a step-by-step guide so you will have no problem following. Now, first things first, you want to make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok to your device in order to make sure that you have this feature. Now, once inside TikTok, of course, you want to navigate through your account by clicking on this button, which is the profile icon. And once inside your profile, you can just go ahead and navigate through a post that you want to pin a comment of. In my case, I'll go ahead and select this post right here. And once inside, you want to navigate through the comment section of your video. Now, to pin comments on TikTok, it's really simple. All you have to do is to hold click on a comment that you want to pin, and inside there will be an option to pin comments. Unfortunately, as of the moment, TikTok has disabled that feature, so I cannot go ahead and pin a comment on my video right here, but that's how you can do it. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.